This is our final prototype design, developed through many stages of refinement and alterations of functionality. This walkthrough will demonstrate the different aspects of the prototype's functionality. Initially, there is no need to click on the Add New Tab button as there are no graph windows currently open. The sidebar is present and empty. Our first scenario will display the functionality for a map view. First, in the Factors section, we select the dataset which we wish to use. Then, the factor from that dataset, and finally, the type of graph you wish to display. Because we have chosen a map for our graph, for the location it is automatically set to display all councils data. The map now appears full screen, displaying the data. The tab bar at the bottom now shows up with one tab, which is highlighted. Scenario 2. We still have the map view open. We click on the plus at the bottom to reinitialize the sidebar and to create a new graph. This also resizes the existing window. This creates a second tab on the window bar at the bottom of the screen. The first tab button is now greyed out while we work on tab 2. We select the dataset and factors again as before. We set the graph type to line graph. As we are using a line graph, we can select which council's data we wish to display. Selecting all councils here may make the graphs harder to interpret. We choose to display percentage of yes votes or the percentage of no votes at the top left of the graph. In this scenario, we are displaying the yes vote. Each map displays the values against a yes or a no vote percentage. In scenario 3, we have added 2 additional windows to the view. Now that 4 graphs have been created, we can show the functionality of the window control buttons at the top right of each graph. The selected tab is highlighted and the rest are greyed out. We are now able to maximise, minimise or close the selected window. Maximise. Selected window overlays on top of the existing windows. Minimise. Minimising the selected graph removes it from the view, but the tab remains in the window bar at the bottom of the screen. In order to reopen the graph, simply click on its tab in the window bar. Close. The selected window is deleted, meaning a new window for a new graph can be created. The tabs are updated to reflect which windows are still present.